Hi guys, and dear students, here in that tutorial I am going to apply that beautiful effects options on the pictures like that. Here I have to apply that paper effects. Some of these effects have been applied. Now we could try that artistic effect. Fatal 1, Fatal 2, oil painting, neon sketcher, and that's a watercolor comic. Polygon poster, half tone dots, carotenizer, motion shear, mirror, and that one is a caricature fish eye, and that's a shield, and that one is a pastel, and that one is an emboss. Next one is the magic effects. That's it is Flora effects. First one, and next to it is a feast, and that Badlands, and that's New Pop Sketchy. And that's a feast. Here I have trying that feast effect on it, and the other one is a Badland, and here next to it is a New Pop effect, which I am going to put on it, and other one is a Sketchy. That I have to choose that.